Hey everybody, my name is Jonah. I am a visual media arts production major here at Emerson College. I am from Okinawa, Japan. I'm an international student. I am a part of the EVI Awards as the production manager. I am also a resident assistant on campus. I'm a BFA student here, kind of finishing up my BFA thesis film at the moment. I am also the treasurer for Cinematic Society Delta Kappa Alpha, and also I am the vice president for National Broadcasting Society. So those are some things that I do here on campus, but as you can already see, most of them are focusing on a lot of film production, television production, media production in general. I specifically focus in producing for film. Today I'm going to take you through a day in the life here at Emerson College. I'll be taking my BFA workshop class and several meetings from other organizations, and just in general talking about student life. I'm on my way to go get my morning coffee. So right now I'm here right in front of our dining hall. So basically how the dining hall here at Emerson works, we have one main dining hall that everybody uses. We are a pretty small campus, and everybody comes here to get breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We also have other eateries around campus as well, like cafes and stuff like that, where you can get coffee, you can get sandwiches. The dining hall actually changes its meals 3 times a day, every meal, for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So you're always gonna get something totally new. Alright guys, so right now I'm in the Lion's Den, which is right on top of our dining hall. It's kind of like a section where students can sit together and get food and stuff like that. So right now I'm here with my breakfast. Got myself a little sausage, egg, and cheese on an English muffin and fries. I'm walking towards the Anson Building right now. That's one of our academic buildings. And the Anson Building actually specifically has a lot of spaces for visual media arts editing. Darkroom for darkroom photography and stuff like that. Editing labs and stuff for film editing, as well as digital editing suites. My BFA workshop class is actually going to be happening in that building, so I'm walking over there right now. Today we were talking about our creative resumes as well as professional resumes, and just like updating each other on how we are doing with our productions and stuff like that. You know, like how is our crew hiring going, cast hiring, as well as, you know, if you're having like a composer make your scores and stuff like that, or shot lists, location scouts, and our professor giving us feedback and advice on our processes. Typically the BFA workshop thesis, the BFA thesis film is a class where you would basically work on a year-long project to create a film for your BFA degree, and for a year-long span you would take this BFA workshop class where your professor would support you through the process of like finding things that you need for the film, giving you advice on what types of directions you should go in. So right now I am in my Delta Kappa Alpha Cinematic Society chapter meeting. It is an organization for passionate filmmakers to come together and work on projects together and stuff like that. And we are a co-ed fraternity, and we're a national fraternity, so we have a lot of people that are part of this organization, and a lot of people who are in the industry currently, who graduated being a Delta Kappa Alpha member. So we have a lot of connections into the industry. Thank you everybody for watching, and I hope to see you guys at Emerson soon. Bye.